Hey you guys, so today I'm going to be decorating my home for fall and I'd like to bring you along with me. If you've watched any of my seasonal decor videos in the past, then you will know that I'm not one to run out and buy new things for every season. I tend to make things or just use what I've had in the past. Now, on occasion, I will spot something when I'm out and about and purchase it, but for instance, everything that you are seeing me pull out of my tub here are things that I've made. And I tend to cling to these things versus running out and buying new things. I don't necessarily think there's anything wrong with buying new things. I just tend to really enjoy the things that I make personally. Now, obviously, I did not make these pumpkins. They were either gifted to me or maybe I picked them up at a garage sale. And then, of course, there's my garland. I've had this for years, and it's just one that I think is kind of timeless and will look great year after year in my home. My dough bowl, I did purchase that back around July 4th and used it as a table centerpiece. And of course, I'll use this over and over again throughout every season. But today, these are the items I'm going to be using to decorate my home. And I just invite you to sit back, watch, and enjoy. I'm going to be starting out right here in my dining room. I've got this really pretty burlap table runner that I believe I got at Kirkland's back whenever I was purchasing a couple of things when we moved into the house. I'm just using it to kind of ground my centerpiece here, that dough bowl, and some of the leaf garland. Also, while digging through my fall tub, I came across a few other items such as these little yellow daisy type flowers. They're kind of wildflowers. And I came across these fun little pumpkins. One's kind of a glittery, sparkly one. They're just all different. But I think this is just simple and beautiful and definitely gives a touch of fall to my dining room space. Next, I'm moving over into the living room window. I'm just taking down a couple of the things and replacing with some of this fall decor. I've got those white sunflowers there. I just love them so much. I do have some yellow sunflowers, the same size, exactly the same in fact. And whenever I do come across those out in my garage in another tub, I might replace these or I might not. I haven't fully decided yet. And as you can see, just adding a few simple fall touches to the windowsill just continues the coziness of fall throughout the house. Now over into my living room. I mentioned that I have some larger sunflowers somewhere in a tub in my garage, and usually I put them in this big milk can, but again, I need to find those. Just adding a little bit over here, these wooden pumpkins that I made out of 4x4s several years ago. These are some of my absolute favorite fall decorations, and the leaf garland again here just adds the perfect little touch in this corner. Over in my kitchen, I'm just going to be utilizing my nice deep windowsills to add a few items to continue the fall vibe over here in the kitchen. I'm usually not one to add a lot of colors, so just sticking with the traditional orange and yellow. And of course, I love black and white, so that's just kind of this color scheme that I'm going with. I know a lot of people like the white pumpkins. I love those too, and I may pick up a few whenever I'm out next time, but for now, I'm really pleased with the simplicity of it all, and I think that you can definitely walk into my house and feel that fall is in the air. Here's just one last glimpse of each area in the house that I decorated. You guys, if you don't want to go out and spend a lot of money on decor, don't. Stop at garage sales. Utilize decor from the years past. Make things. For instance, the pumpkins and the signs that I've made, I have tutorials on those, and I'll definitely list those for you in the comments below. But I hope that you enjoyed this little decorate with me video, and I hope you have fun decorating for fall. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share.